I got a black ski mask, but I don't ski, but I snowboard, dash an MC off peaks. If one of you try violate.
Alright guys, episode 22 of the Undercity podcast. Very impromptu shoot with two very special guests. If you guys don't mind introducing yourselves.
Hi, my name is Divya. I'm also known as Miss Self Sabotage on Instagram.
What's up, guys? I'm Andrea, and yeah, that's about it.
I'm known as Andrea on your Instagram.
I'm known as Andrea_Solomon on my Instagram.
Yeah. So what do you guys do? Like,
I'm now not a student. I used
no, not anymore.
I normally say I'm a law student. I'm a creator and all that. So I'm a lawyer.
Yeah.
And I work at the Hub.
Yes.
And I'm also a creator.
Wait, so how do you end up at the Hub?
So
From lawyer. Yeah.
So me studying law was actually my bluff. I never wanted to be a lawyer. I always wanted to work.
So you went to law school, no?
Yeah, I went to law school.
Okay.
Let me explain. There's a backstory.
Yeah.
Okay. So I always wanted to work in the media. I wanted to be in films, and my parents were very strict. I'm from a very orthodox Tamil family, so they were like, no, you can't do all that. So they were like, what do you want to do? So I didn't want to be an engineer, so I had to come up with something spontaneously. I was like, I'll be a lawyer, and I stuck with my bluff.
How bad was the course?
Honestly, the course was not. It's a course.
It's a course. Yeah, it's a course.
It's a course.
You're not wrong.
And it's for 5 years.
Yeah, bro, the 5 years part is what's crazy.
I'm telling you, no one study for 5 years at a stretch.
You shouldn't.
I don't think
you straight up shouldn't.
No.
I can never do that.
Yeah.
You should not.
Yeah. So then.
Unless and until you're really like you have a
about-
passion for education. Yeah, maybe then go ahead. But like,
I don't think anyone does. Everyone has passion for money.
Yeah,
That's
no,
what
it's
it
the
is.
money part after your education. So like the 5 years and the doctor, etc. And until and unless you really want to save people's lives, I don't think doctors are studying to become doctors.
It's kind of scary, you know? Like,
some
not
people are
doctors,
just like, no, I'm all about the knowledge and stuff like that.
what?
No, they're lying about it. Yeah.
It's the money you get after you put all your blood, sweat, and tears for those 5 years, and then like 10 years for doctor or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then COVID hit, and I was like, okay, I need to do something about it. I can't just like sit at home. So this was when like TikTok was blowing off, and like
Back when we had TikTok in India.
not that we had TikTok in India, but I was seeing the fact that these creators are transitioning from that to mainstream media, and I was like, okay, maybe that can happen for me because I have nowhere else to start. Why not start it like Instagram?
Yeah.
So that's how I started, and that's what's gotten me here.
Yeah.
That's bad.
Fair enough. So, for context, this is like one of the first few conversations we're having with these guys. Because this has been the most impromptu shoots. Kailash, thanks for setting us up for this.
Kailash.
Kailash, my main man.
Like, you know what this feels like? You know when you go to a new classroom?
Yeah.
This is the icebreaker session.
Introduction. Be like,
What about you? Like, can you tell us a bit about yourself?
so I did my BBA, and after that, what I did was, I'm working in a different marketing agency. It was like work from home, very boring. So I just shot my shot at the Hub. I don't know what they saw in me. If you're seeing this, we love you. But yeah, so currently now I work at the Hub. I work for the business development team over there, and it's going good. It's going fun. Other than that, what I like doing is I like gymming, bro. Like I see y'all in my gym. Yeah.
Do you see him?
Yeah, dude, whenever you're there, he's there. Wait, is it you or is it some other guy with you?
It's me.
No, there's one more. There's three guys.
The guy who just
No,
left.
I see him, and then I saw you, and then one of my friend Nishan comes up to me and he's like, I know these two guys from like a podcast.
What's your first name? Bro?
Nishan.
Nishan.
I watched you guys too.
And I just messaged him now. I'm like, okay, guess where am I? He's like, where? I'm like, Undercity podcast. He's like, what the and he's like, are you
know about this?
are you in it? I'm like, yes. And he's like, all the best. Waiting for the episode to come. I'm like, no.
So anyways, getting to the topic of this episode, relationships, we've all been in it.
Ma'am hasn't.
Yeah, we've all been in it.
You've never been in a relationship?
No, I have.
She definitely has.
Yeah.
But then,
We'll roll into it.
before we get into this whole thing, I want to ask you guys this question, because somebody asked it to me today. Do you think you've ever been in love?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, and how does that feel? Because I don't.
Wait.
I don't think I've ever been in love.
Let me get this straight.
Yeah.
Have you dated?
Yes.
So you've never been in love?
I'm so sorry, whoever you are.
Hey, wait, it could have been her fault that I wasn't in love.
No,
No.
See, this
Why
is-
were you in a relationship if you weren't in
Yeah.
love? What were you there for?
One second. For me to be in love with somebody, I need to see them in that context for a while. I can't just date somebody with like, oh, I love you so much.
Okay, so
What
when
was
you
the relation? How did you
Yeah.
get into
So
this
that means it was talking stage.
Not talking to
No, 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 he was in the
Dude,
relationship.
hold on. So you're telling me that you guys have never been in a relationship and just like really like the person and not just love them all.
So you're just dating them, for example. You're not like in a relationship.
Yeah, dude,
where
I'm
you're-
young, bro. I'm
So,
like,
so talking stage. I think.
yeah, I mean,
No. Okay,
No.
I get what you mean. You're like
Yeah.
not in the talking stage, but like you are beyond the talking
Yeah.
stage. But
yeah,
you're
she's not like
in
my
love
wife
with
yet.
the
You know,
person.
she's not like
No,
wifey
no,
yet.
it is a relationship.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
a rela-
yeah, you're in a
boyfriend and
relationship.
girlfriend.
Correct,
Yeah.
but you're not in love, so you're basically just
Okay,
trying
so
to
when-
figure your
did you
way
ask
out.
her out?
Figure it out.
Yes.
So what were you thinking when you asked her out?
So when I ask somebody out, okay, I just look at everything. So I look at their morals and their personality and everything, and then if I see that they could potentially be something in the future, that's when I ask them out.
What is the future? How old are you?
Like
And what's the future to you?
eventually ending up with them and like
Marriage.
It's very nice to see you. Like,
Cute.
Cute,
very cute.
So what? Yeah, no, I'll fucking cut, bro.
That's having that conversation.
Not to cut.
Wait. So even you said you've never been in love.
No, I have.
all of us
Yeah,
have.
this was like
Except
a very
him,
small.
Except him.
I don't know if that was love, so I don't know.
No, no,
Okay, if you don't know, then you won't.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. First, I want to know what is love for you guys. Like, everyone has different explanation.
Yeah,
Emotionally and physically being connected to another girl. I mean, like for a guy.
yeah. I mean, for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Non-binary.
different meaning.
It can be girl and girl too.
Yeah.
You don't want to be cancelled.
Hey.
You don't want to be cancelled.
Hey.
Personally, for me,
Pride month.
Yeah, that was Pride Month. How could
Happy
you?
June. Yeah. So, so you've been in love before. So
Yeah,
What according to you is love?
So that was a very high schooly thing, my first ever relationship and all. So, you start talking and you're like friends and then you're like, I don't even know when we start dating because, it happened on Valentine's Day. He comes up and he's like,
With the Oreo silk.
yeah, I really think, Dude, this was back when I was in school, so when I was in 8th grade.
It's not that long
Why
ago,
are
bro.
you
It's
aging
like,
yourself like
no,
that?
Yeah, no, but like,
now she
it's
threw it
good.
all the way back. Bro. Like, it's a
I was
Mughal
literally 10
Empire.
years back.
8th grade.
Almost.
Yeah, so around that time.
Okay.
So nearly a decade ago. So then he comes and we were like, okay, cute. And that happened for 4 years, dude. Like 4
4
years.
You were in an 8th grade relationship for 4 years.
Wait, so
Till 12.
Yeah, no, till the ending of 11.
I can't
Bro,
imagine.
that's crazy.
No.
Yeah, that's
That's mad.
mad. And then it got so toxic. And
Yeah.
so I study in Mount Carmel. It's an all-girls college. No, so I did my PU in Mount Carmel, okay? And he used to be so toxic. He's just like, even though it was an all-girl college, he's like, which guy are you roaming with? Blah, blah, blah. I'm like, I study in an all-girl college.
Janitor, bro.
Yeah. No, he's like, oh no, not with that girl's boyfriend. And I'm like, bro, what the?
That girl's boyfriend. Bad.
It just got so toxic at a point. I'm like, sorry, boss, it's not
So
happening
who
anymore.
broke up?
Me.
Okay.
Okay.
So initially, it was a very on and off thing where he used to break up and I'd be like, bro, take me back. Because back then.
The silk days. Yeah.
The silk days.
Yeah.
And then that kept happening. He's like, yeah, okay, come, blah, 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 blah. And then the final thing, I'm like, no, this is not happening anymore. I'm like, we'll go our separate ways. And then, the back and forth happened. And then I was like,
Wait, so-
please leave
So
me
I like
alone.
how you said that. I asked you what love feels like, and you told me about a toxic ass relationship you had back in your day.
So that was love.
Wait, so
No. So initially it started out as love and then it turned out to be toxic.
give us a timeline. So in the start, how was it?
In the start?
And how did it end up in the
So
the end?
I told you, right? In the start, it was really nice, and it was all you're doing your firsts with them, all your firsts, and then it was like cute, and it kept happening, and then after a point, it just got very stressful for like the both of us, and more stressful for me. Yeah,
Like,
so just
what was stressful? Like, what about the relationship?
The dude.
the dude, exactly. The dude was stressful.
Yeah.
He was toxic as
Okay, so very possessive.
very possessive, dude. So like it was.
Segues.
Yeah, it was very possessive. Like where are you? Text me, call me, blah 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 blah. And like back then, you thought, oh, that is what you're supposed to do, etc. And now now I can go, like, if I'm seeing somebody else, I can go like days without, not days, but like, they do their own shit, I do my own shit. not days, like they do, because you know,
I get it.
prioritize yourself first. Because this is your initial years of prioritizing yourself.
Yeah.
Now it makes sense, but back then we'll be like, oh yeah, I have to keep talking to him, he has to keep talking to me, and
Right.
all that. So
No, but
that was that.
personally,
No, I
like,
really
the-
think about like what I texted my like boyfriend back. I texted him all the time. I'm thinking, what was I saying?
Exactly.
What did I speak to him so much about? There was nothing to say.
you
all the
just
time.
like scroll back and read the
No, I
message.
did that.
No,
I did
it's
that
blocked.
like.
It's gone.
Oh
So
my.
yeah, I mean he's blocked me. But like so his
my.
friends are like very close friends with me right now, and I used to send them screenshots back in the day, and it keeps popping up in memories. Okay, so most of the screenshots are like, "What you doing? This? How are you?
Right,
Nothing
right,
much."
right.
What? So it's that NM. What you doing?
yeah.
NM.
February 2018.
Yeah, yeah.
What's
No,
up?
like
Then
me and
I love you and like ILY2.
Ah.
Why? So me like
Dude.
But me and my boyfriend at the time would only say like talk in abbreviations when we're mad. Like if he's saying GN, like
Okay,
we're in a
GN.
fight.
TTYL.
Yeah, GN, GTY,
Oh, yeah.
TC.
Oh,
That's
TC.
Don't know. I used to get
Even
this
the TC, I know. she's
GTG
got-
by.
Oh,
Like,
GPG,
wow.
buddy. Fellas, if you, that's how you know.
Shit's bad, bro.
Fellas, now you know how to let them know that you're mad, bro. Become an
Yeah,
acronym.
I
Yeah.
remember he.
Oh, if okay, I don't want to.
Go on. Expose
You
your
know
man,
that,
bro.
like, not expose my man. This is something. If I'm seeing a boy and if I'm mad, if I send you the 2 dot and smiley.
Oh.
No, I'm mad.
No, the more the number of the smiley.
No, just
the
one.
more
Just
angry.
like
No, see, the
so
more-
that
the
I
more.
call it the creepy smiley. So if you send me just that smiley, no.
I'm like, I'm gonna go out with the boys. Okay.
Yeah,
fun.
that's literally have fun.
The have fun.
Yeah.
Always hit them with the have,
Have
fun.
fun.
Fun, have
No,
fun.
but in my relationship, generally when it wasn't like right between us, again the abbreviations come,
When you're
and then
pissed.
we start using our names.
Oh, yes,
yeah.
yes,
Like,
yes, yes.
stop acting.
Afzal,
Yeah,
stop.
uh,
Afzal, yeah.
Come on, Mohammed Afzal.
Cherada, stop. Cherada, stop.
yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
I get that. No, but then, if she says have fun, it's bad. But she says have fun with 2 N's, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good. It says have fun.
But also in these stages, do you remember in the middle where it's so dry? So you're like, sup, nothing much.
Correct.
That's after the
Honeymoon phase.
Yeah.
Once the honeymoon
I think that's when texting, like, you really like someone when you see them, you still like are excited to be with them.
But like that back then, it made a lot of sense because you had to keep constantly texting them.
Yeah,
Sup,
because-
nothing much. Sup or nothing much. That used to be the only
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
And now when there's no conversation, you just like leave it,
yeah.
until a conversation
comes up.
Yeah,
That's
until
it.
something
Yeah.
comes up to just text them or like, oh hey, this is what's happening.
Yeah,
And
no,
they're
I
like, yeah.
agree with that.
I
100%,
don't want
100%.
to text like the boy I'm seeing all the time. I just
Yeah, it's just so annoying.
Otherwise, not
What
special,
if they
no.
get
Like,
mad
not
with you?
special.
yeah, what do I say to you?
Yeah.
What am I? I'm at work. You're at work. Okay, bye.
Yeah, that's
Work.
literally what happens.
They're so much older than us. That's why it's like,
Well, even if you're at class,
I'm kidding, I'm
like,
kidding.
you're at,
Yeah.
I'm at class. You're at class.
Done. You
Yeah.
you can't be like texting in class and all that. Like
100%.
I used to do
Yeah,
that.
if the conversation is not going anywhere, there's no point carrying it.
Correct.
No, but people get mad about that. I thought.
Yeah.
they get insecure. They get
So
insecure.
yeah, that's the point. Like when you're
Like you left me on red.
yeah, you
Exactly.
I'll
couldn't
tell you
do
what it
that
is.
back.
Oh no, I
did.
don't have blue ticks on my WhatsApp. I
Oh,
just
same.
don't.
Read
No.
receipts are off.
Oh yeah.
It's
been
been
off
off.
since 2017 or something.
Last scene, read receipts. No.
So let's come back
That's
to
fine.
red flags and green flags. Now.
Yeah.
The topic of this episode.
This was
See, this was the setup. This was all
Premise.
just.
This
Yeah,
was
it's the
the
premise.
getting comfortable phase.
Yeah, now we are so fast with one another.
Yeah.
So now we can start.
So the first one is actually like a very hard one.
Yeah.
Okay, it's really hard.
She did law, bro. What's more
Law.
hard?
No, this is harder.
This is harder than law.
harder.
Stupid the way he laughed.
This is harder.
No, it's stupid the way he laughed.
Okay.
Red flag, green
Okay.
flag segment.
Is it a red flag or a green flag?
Yeah.
Either one of it.
Yeah.
If he eats Maggie with ketchup.
Red flag, bro.
Red
What?
flag.
Dirty.
Okay.
Where is your where is your man?
Jesus.
No, for me it's green flag.
For me, that's
See,
red
wait, one
flag,
second.
boys.
Why do you all think Maggie has launched a special masala, like only masala? Why? Because the Maggi, the flavor of the Maggi is like the masala. Why would you put ketchup?
She's not wrong.
But then some.
Why would you put ketchup in and make it so dirty and eat it?
Wait.
Do you eat?
No, I don't.
Do you
But-
like
Do you?
Does he look like Does he look like he doesn't drink?
I'm sorry, bro.
do
She
you eat
clearly
Maggi
has
with
strong
ketchup?
ass opinions
Yeah,
on
no,
this.
I like that. I like
Okay,
that.
see, look. Okay.
So what's your take on cheese
Bro, like-
Maggi then?
Cheese Maggi is yummy.
but then you're
I'll tell you
putting
why.
cheese in the flavor.
I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Why cheese Maggi is yummy? Because it doesn't contradict the Maggi flavoring. It adds to the masala.
It dims it down, bro.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
Yeah, but it doesn't add you the sweet tomatoey ketchup
One sec.
and all.
So have you not had like Maggi with like egg and stuff, scrambled eggs?
No, I don't know.
No, I kind of get what she's saying, but still, I prefer the taste of ketchup.
I can't.
Yeah.
See, no, like I like ketchup.
See,
See,
that-
not I like ketchup. Okay, you give me fries, I would choose ketchup, or you give me nuggies, I'll eat it with ketchup. But with Maggi, no.
Is it because it's dry? The like fries
That's
are
obvious,
dry.
no?
Fries are dry and Maggi is not dry.
You can make Maggi dry. I like my
Okay,
Maggi
so
dry.
Dry Maggi. You won't
Yeah.
eat with
I think you
ketchup.
don't like it
Al dente
soupy.
Maggi.
You don't like
Huh?
It's soupy.
No,
I don't like
soupy
Maggi
I like
soupy. Yeah.
proper
No, I like it.
Yeah, same. I don't like soupy
See,
Maggi. I
maybe
like
that's
Maggi,
something you need to work on.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, wait. So
Let's go around one more time.
no, wait, if it's a dry, like you know, your mom gives you Maggi, right?
To school.
To school. That Maggi.
That
you
becomes a
can't.
cake.
That's cake. That's cake that you cut
Okay,
it and eat.
can you eat that without ketchup?
Cake
Yeah.
Maggi with ketchup?
Bro, that's disgusting. I need ketchup.
Just don't eat it.
Yeah, exactly.
Cake Maggi is disgusting itself.
My dad slapped me.
Hey,
No,
okay,
no,
cake
no,
Maggi
no,
is
no,
It's a
disgusting.
cake Maggi, but they put effort in made.
On the way from school bus.
That is what it is.
Bro, my dad slapped me
window.
if I don't eat food and come
No,
back.
that's what I'm saying. You threw it.
Yeah.
Okay, not
Don't take it back home. Just don't abuse Maggi
See,
with
I'm
ketchup.
for weird food combos. If you want to do it, go for it.
Yeah.
But what if he does some
Okay.
weird shit like Maggi with ice cream?
No, screw that. Okay, wait. So,
No,
what's
she's,
your
she's
answer?
thinking about it.
Oh, why?
No, she's like, hey babe, make some Maggi. Do you want
He's
some
like,
ice
drop
cream?
me a vanilla scoop.
No,
She's like, sure.
No, wait, listen.
It's cooking.
So it's like, hey babe, we need to talk. We can't continue this relationship. You eat Maggi and ice cream.
No, so you're chill with it, huh? If he has word
I
food
mean,
combos.
as long as he's not making me eat it, like he can do whatever the
But
fuck
you
he
won't
wants.
have to be supportive, nah. You gotta be like, okay, babe, I'll try Vadilal with.
That's what she's saying. She's supported.
You eat it. I'll eat my Maggi.
Okay, so
Yeah,
is
man.
it a red flag or a green flag?
Ketchup
And Maggi.
It's no flag.
It's a no flag.
No
It's a
flag.
beige flag.
Yeah.
It's a beige
There's no
flag.
middle ground, red or green, dude. Beige
Mine
and
is red,
middle
bro.
ground, no, it's
Mine
very
is red.
extreme opinions here.
Extreme opinions.
Yeah.
Personally, for me, the concept of Maggi with ketchup is a red flag.
Yeah.
Okay, so red flag, red flag.
Red flag, bro. The color.
You're colorblind, so like, what color is your red flag?
It's a green flag. I like it.
Oh, okay. So,
What color is your t-shirt?
Green.
good.
What's your opinion? Red or green? Green.
It's a red flag. Because, yeah. Okay, so my question is it a red or a green flag if the guy. No. Actually, for the guys, and then you guys tell me, I think.
Yeah.
Guys, is it a red flag if she insists on splitting the bill?
If she insists.
On splitting the bill with you on a date?
No, see, okay. I'll assume that she would say that.
Okay.
At the start.
Yeah.
And eventually I'd say no, I don't do that. Like dates, I pay. Generally, I pay.
Okay.
So it's not a. It's a green flag. It's fine.
What is happening, dude? They're demolishing my house.
It's all down.
ये green flag नहीं है. Okay, so for you it's not a no, but she
It's a
insists.
green flag. It's green flag.
No, she insists. Like you say, no, I want to pay. I'm like, no,
Red
no,
flag.
no, no. That
Yeah.
Why?
what this guy really?
Because so for me when I go on dates, I have my rules and I have my procedures.
Yeah, so even she has her rules and she has her ethics and she has her ethics.
Rules. Yeah. So like my dad told me this.
Okay.
Generally, don't like if you're going out, taking her out. It's you who's supposed to pay for it. You're supposed to make her feel comfortable. It's
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying.
So what's yours?
For me, it depends on the plan. So if it's something both of us have made, I don't mind splitting.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
I don't mind paying it as well, but then I like splitting comes. But if
Okay.
it's my plan,
Yeah.
I made the plan.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna pay for it.
What do you guys think? Is it like for you guys? Do you think it's a red flag if she insists
No, not at all.
If
I don't
he
know
insists.
that. If he insists.
on splitting the check?
She or he.
Oh yeah.
Yes, she or
yeah.
he.
If okay, so if he insists on splitting the check with you,
Yeah, it's like
These are different.
like,
Oh,
like,
okay.
listen, I know this is the date now, but Can we just please?
My dad. Okay, this is
My dad told me.
Okay, I'll tell you what. I never expect a guy to pay except if it's a first date. I don't know why. It's like this thing in my
First
head.
dates. Makes
It's
sense.
the first date.
Yeah.
He's asked
This is your
me
first
out.
date.
Yeah.
He's asked me out. I just think it's a nice thing for the guy to pay. So
Yeah.
there's no rhyme or
Makes
reason.
sense.
I
Yeah.
just think he should it's a nice thing. Like you ask the girl.
It's like
if I
tradition
asked the
almost.
guy out and it was the first time I'm going
Yeah.
out with him and I asked him out, I would pay.
So I saw this reel which said that I think all of y'all would have seen it. Who do you think pays on the first date?
Yeah, and
And
the
then
man
it was like
explained it
who?
so beautifully.
Who asked? Okay, so
Who
there's
asked?
a
Sorry, but you wrote this about it.
I was going to continue and then she told something, so I was like, not. Yeah.
Okay, huh.
So it's like whoever asked the person out. So like, for example, I asked you out, even though I'm the girl.
Yeah.
Since I asked you out, I would pay for the first date. Or
Okay.
like, same. If he asked me out, he'll pay for the first date. That's
Okay.
the first date.
Huh.
Going forward, y'all obviously.
just split. Like
Yeah.
going forward.
Okay, so
everyone-
I disagree.
I'll tell you my, I'll tell you my
One
thing.
person-
What is
What
what
I
your
do-
girlfriend always, huh?
Every time I've gone out.
So what I personally do is sometimes if we go out, so like say we go out for movies and then
Yeah.
we go out for dinner. So
Yeah.
if he does the movie charge,
Yeah.
I take the dinner charge.
Yeah,
Okay.
like that. Like
Okay.
that.
He
that
scammed you. It's so much cheaper.
Wait, see, I
No, bro. Like
I
you go for
agree on
IMAX
that.
and all, it comes to like
Yeah,
1.5.
I
Dinner
like
also,
movie and all. Yeah.
Like,
dinner also comes to 1.5. So
You go to Rex,
if my like significant other kept paying for me, like I would just feel.
I feel
guilty.
so
Yeah,
bad.
I feel so
Feel
bad.
so
Okay, so
bad.
I'll tell you my thing about it. Okay, so my whole thing is when you're going out on a date,
pay
right?
for everything.
see, when you're going on a date. So personally, for me, how it works is when you're going on a date, you have to like put your best foot forward.
Correct.
Okay.
Right.
So being presentable is something like very important on dates. So for me, paying for the date is something that comes with being presentable on that date. So and that's just been with me for like a really long time because if I say it's kind of old school, but that's like how I deal with things anyway. So if I go on a date with somebody, in my mind also doesn't come to like, okay, let's split. For me, it's like, okay, we're going. The thing is, I try to keep it less awkward. So like when she's going, like she's like going to the washroom or something, I'll just pay for the bill there.
That's crazy.
Okay,
You should
return
return
our
our
money,
money.
So like
Slide it.
John, one more thing. Like,
To avoid that kind of conversation, you know.
So please, yeah.
John, please return our money.
John, please. What money, Mama? No, so it's like
But
so
is that only on the first date or like all?
no. I
yeah,
feel
once you get comfortable. See, I'll tell you. I can't explain this. It feels so weird when the girl I'm going out with is taking money out and paying for me. Like,
yeah,
this
I
feels
feel like
so weird
I
to
feel
me.
like they didn't like the date if that's the case.
No,
you know? If a girl pays for
No,
the
I
date.
always offer. Like
Yeah.
it's not that I'm not
No,
down
correct,
to pay.
correct. But like if she insists, I feel like that shows that she didn't like the date as much. So if
I
she
don't know.
pays,
That's not
that
true.
kind of like.
Then she'll be like, oh, cool, I
Let's say
paid you and if you come back to me, I'm not obliged to
'cause
reply to
it's
you.
not. It's not a date anymore because she paid on the first one.
No, for me, it's just a weird feeling
Listen,
that I get.
if she didn't like the date, there'll be other telltale signs. That would not be.
Okay.
This is one of them.
For the viewers, what are the other signs?
She'll just
That
get up
she's
and
the-
leave. She'll go, no, she'll message her friend, she'll get a call. Like, oh, my friend.
That actually
relax.
happens.
Yeah.
You've done that. Hey, Andy, get along. But-
No.
No, I'm actually really nice. I stay there. I finish the date. I pay if you're splitting, and then later I go like.
And then after that goes.
sorry. No, I don't ghost. I don't
You don't
ghost.
ghost.
I tell. I'm like.
After that, I'm gay.
No.
Wait, so how does he know that you didn't like the date?
I just
She
tell.
just said bye.
You'll tell it.
You'll tell him like, hey man,
I'm
listen,
like-
you disgusting on
No.
stage.
I'll tell you, most people would not like show you that you didn't like the date.
Yeah.
They're just
Ghost.
not- If they're just not getting,
No,
if you're
so-
just not getting the energy
Energy back, they
you can
understand.
The vibes, yeah.
But afterwards, no one actually even go. If you're like a dickhead, then you ghost. But like, no,
Yeah, I don't
go.
ghost.
You know,
Yeah.
like you slowly start retrieving back. You know, the excitement's not
Yeah.
there anymore. Things became
The
super
conversation
mundane,
just like dulls down,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then
You just
I think
hope
they
it
also
fizzles
get a
out.
hint
Yeah.
of it and be like, okay, I don't think it's
I mean,
gonna
obviously,
work.
like it happens. Like,
Yeah, because
nothing
there
works.
was this
Not
one
everything works.
dude I went on a date with, and it was like before going on a date with, it was like perfect on paper. Okay, it was like so good. I'm like, I will like enjoy my life with him, like blah blah blah, so good. And then I went on a date with him. It was fun. It was not like that bad. It was fun, but then I realized like later there's no point of like
excitement is
yeah, it just dulled down. So I'm just like,
Okay,
there's no
what
point.
exactly is that excitement? Like, what do you think? Is
You-
In the day.
you know, like it depends, dude.
It's like an energy.
Yeah, the
You feel
energy, the
excited.
conversations
Yeah.
you have, and you sometimes you don't want to leave the date.
Yeah.
You don't want to leave. You just want to keep continuing.
Like you
Viewers.
miss,
You wanna put them
like
on
you
box
miss
and
them.
then, you know,
miss them
tease
as
them.
you leave.
You wanna put them in one
Yeah.
suitcase
Huh.
and depose them.
What's happening here? I don't know.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
But overall,
Next one.
overall, it's what a green flag, red flag. For me, it's a red flag if she insists.
So for us, if he insists us to pay half of it, right?
No, if he insists to pay the whole thing, is it a red flag or a green flag?
No, did you?
On the first date?
On the first date.
No.
It's not a red
It's not a
flag.
red flag.
Okay, but
I'm like, you want to
Second
pay?
date.
All dates, no. Like, let's
No, not every time. First date, yeah. Every time,
No.
like I said, you pay something, I pay something.
Yeah.
I agree.
Makes sense. Okay. The next question is:
yeah.
male or female best friends? Is
Red
there a
flag,
thing?
green
Yeah,
flag.
red flag or a green flag?
Okay. So when it comes to that, it depends on how you are with your best friend. Okay, like you come. So even I have like a male best friend, and if it's the limit. With them, what you go for, like
So what? So
also
everyone-
like you hang out, you drink, you know them for years, blah blah blah.
Drinking together is fine with them.
Yeah,
Okay.
Of
getting
course, you
slurred.
drink with your best friend only.
Yeah, who
Correct,
drinks
correct,
with
correct. No, so,
When
okay.
you're single, you drink alone. Nobody will drink with your best
We don't drink, guys.
No. What is it for you? Like your
Okay.
guy have
Okay, I'll tell you what. If first of all, let's see this objectively. Let's break it down.
Okay.
So if the person who you're seeing has a guy or girl best friend,
Yeah.
that's one thing. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go deeper.
Okay.
Is that a new best friend? Are they someone who makes best friends immediately? Okay. Or is it someone
smart,
who's
bro.
been
My
your-
honor.
up through the years.
if this person's been your best friend for a long period of time, like
Yeah.
a childhood
How
best
long?
friend,
10.
for an extended period, then there's an understanding that if they had to date or something would have happened.
that dude.
Which dude?
No, you spoke
That
about-
dude in the big. See, all my boyfriends have never been like. I've never been friends with any of the boys I've seen.
Okay.
We go into the eyes on the prize, like associated romantically only. I don't date my friends. Like, so
Good rule.
yeah, if a guy's my friend, we're friends. That's
But a few girls do that, no? Like generally, like friends.
yeah, I know. I keep
Yeah,
telling
so
my
like that-
girlfriends, like you.
Whatever, yeah.
But then don't you think like friendship makes the foundation of a relationship?
That's not necessary.
Yeah, it's
true.
not
It actually
so-
messes it up way more.
Anyways, but then let's get back. So,
Okay.
you think a guy best friend is okay?
No, not a guy best friend.
Based
But then
on
a
these
girl
things,
Oh,
like
girl best friends,
Yeah,
yeah.
so you think about these things. If
Yeah.
they've been friends for a really long,
Long
period of
time.
time.
Okay, let me get this straight. So 5 years. So
Yeah.
they've been friends for 5 years.
Yeah.
Best friends.
Yeah.
Would you let them like have alcohol, like get drunk together?
Alone, no.
Alone, no.
Alone, no, because I'm very
But then they're friends.
Friends for 5 years.
But then like
But
they're
that's
like
my
chuddy
mentality.
buds, dude.
Okay,
my
no.
mentality.
What about you?
It would depend circumstantially.
Okay, wait,
Yeah.
I have
Never
so
say
I'll
that.
put a spanner in the works. Okay.
So
So you're
I'm
dating
also
them.
very stupidly trusting.
Okay.
I don't trust, even though they like.
Not extreme, Tina, man.
I've been cheated on by every
How
boy.
is this not a like trust issue?
See, I don't know. I
Infatuation.
No, it's not infatuation. I really think it's a good thing that even though I've been hurt, like I can still
Yeah.
put myself out there and like I can.
So
see things.
in
Wait,
this
wait,
situation,
okay.
in this situation where these two are together
Yeah.
in their house,
See, if I trust the girl and I trust the guy, then,
but do you trust alcohol?
No, you shouldn't. You shouldn't.
See, that's where the
See, that's what I'm saying. Like, I
if you
genuinely
asked me
don't
like
trust.
a year back, I would have been like yes, but now no.
see there are certain
Wait. I have a thing. Okay, so he has a girl best friend. Okay, and they haven't done anything in like years. But
have they done
They
anything
made out
for-
once before.
Yeah, but like, was it like in a party, alcohol, blah
They
blah
made
blah?
out, bro. Doesn't matter where.
Okay.
just made up.
Yeah, and then I would not trust them in a room alone together. But if there are people in the room, then yeah.
Okay, three of us will give our answer together.
On three?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Red flag!
Triggered.
Pieces of shit. No, I'll tell you why. Okay.
Can I hit you with a question?
Yeah.
This is not a guy-girl thing. It's just a general thing. If a person does not have like a steady friend group, like a childhood friend group, keeps jumping from friend group to friend group, like every year they have a new friend
Red
circle,
flag.
do you think it's a red flag?
Red flag. But if they can't keep friends, how can they keep me?
No, are they in the same place, like in the same school, or are they shifting places?
Why school?
Okay, like same area.
Same talking about like
We are still young.
No, like, see, even though you
Same area,
same
like
place, same
yeah,
workplace.
Everything.
Then it's red,
Red
flag.
flag.
But then like they just keep jumping from friend to friend.
Red, huge red. Bro, I've been with our friend group since school, dude. So
I think like a girl like that, like you said, won't be like open to the idea of a monogamous relationship.
yeah.
But see, I'll tell you my thing about guy best friends, okay? 90% of the time,
The guy.
The guy wants it.
It's a dick to ride on.
Yeah.
Yeah, the guy wants to.
Yeah. Okay. The
In my
guy-
case,
90%
it's not
of the
like
guy-
that, dude. Like, my guy best friend is my guy.
No,
I've known him for 12 years.
For 12 years he wants to.
I'll say something.
Oh,
but
fifth
you
time.
might put this
Even though he
on.
was not mature.
Okay, wait.
Okay, let's do a prank call now.
I'll say something.
Oh, we can do that.
And I will think about this whether I want you to put this in or on later.
Yeah.
See, Andrea, you will have a set
Are you?
of guys.
Why me, bro?
Because you're the only girl here. You will have a
Go
set
call
of
auntie.
guys.
You have auntie down?
You
she's
have,
down, yeah.
let's not ask this to auntie. You have a set of guy friends, okay? They might be your really good friends now.
Yeah.
But you know they've thought about you once.
See, it depends on my guy
That's what
friends.
they're talking about.
I know,
That's why they don't
my
want
guy
that guy around their
friends,
girlfriend.
my guy friends who I'm right now with, right? That would have never crossed their mind. I know because they've seen me like.
No, it's gone there. It's gone.
I tell you, I can genuinely touch my
know.
heart and tell I've had one guy friend
He's
who's
gay?
not thought of fucking. No, he's my best friend. He's not.
I'll tell you.
Yeah, so that even I have one guy friend who's
We'll break
not
it
thought
to
of
them
it.
soon.
And then after that, when I go with like a friend thing with even like people in my gym, so I know I'm like, okay, cool. Even though my friends
thought
don't
about
know,
it.
yeah, they've thought about it. Even they're good friends now.
They've been friends on me, but I know they've thought about it.
I know.
Look,
bro.
okay, look at it this way.
Exactly. Huh.
I don't trust these men. Okay, because I know guys for years just
We are
at it.
We are guys.
Yeah.
So we are guys.
No, we
I
know what these
Okay,
boys
I know.
want.
I'll tell you. Wait.
Valid.
I'll tell you generally
Makes
how
sense.
this
Valid.
works. So
He'll
a
wait for
girl
that
in
day,
general. Okay, so this guy is there, and this guy likes you in the start. Okay, and generally this guy doesn't really know how to make the move. So
Yeah.
you'll become friends.
Yeah.
And the girl doesn't really like him.
Yeah.
So you end up in that friend phase. Okay, the girl doesn't like him, but the guy does. He initiated with the friendship phase. Now he doesn't know how to move about it.
So he's
That's his
your
problem,
friend.
no?
That's his problem. So he just
We don't trust the
continues.
men.
He continues. But the thing is, the fact that he liked you always remains.
Yeah.
It
It
doesn't
doesn't stay there because you know if you call him like, hey, listen, I'm alone right now. Uber straight to your place.
He'll come.
For me, it doesn't have to
Call
go. You
your
can
best
walk
friend.
and come.
Okay, walking distance, red flag.
No, but I have but he's that friend who's never thought about it, and I can write it
Okay,
down.
okay, can you- can you call
That's
that
why I
person?
told. That's why.
Prank call.
No, please.
Wait, let her come.
No, that's why I told you it's important to look at like for how long
Long
the
they've
kind
been
of friendship
friends.
and what's the
Correct.
Guys
vibe
can
there.
fake it for years.
For years.
Jolly, my best. He used to date my other girlfriend.
Okay, you know what?
I'm sorry to break it to you.
Okay, let's
all the
say
other
on
guys-
3. Let's say on 3. Your boy best friend is trying to on 3. 1, 2, 3. Your boy best friend is trying to.
Okay, so no, I find this very cute. Like girls are so naive about it.
Yeah. Okay. So you go first.
I'll go first. So you guys have been together for months. Okay, I would say 2-3 months.
Okay.
And the other person doesn't post you on social media. Not even.
Are you in a relationship? Are you talking? Are you in a situationship? What are you
You've been
in?
together for a few months. Wherever you are at that time is relevant.
But then you guys haven't been like seeing anyone else, just each other.
Like on average, within a few months, wherever you think you'd be with a guy, that's where you are.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Fine.
No.
That's right.
Like no,
doesn't
if
post,
I
like,
he's hiding.
okay, so what I like if I've posted him
Yeah.
and he's like at least not even taking the initiative to like repost because I'm obviously tagging him and he's not taking the initiative to fucking repost it, then that's a red flag.
That's a
100.
Sin City
So
was
I'll
amazing.
tell you, I'm good. So I all the boys I've seen with, I barely take pictures with, and like
Yeah.
Are you trying to keep them low key because you're famous?
not no.
Okay.
All the boys that I've seen, like who I've really liked, one was not on Instagram.
No, green flag.
Green flag.
Hey, no, dude. I'll tell you, he was not on Instagram. He
Okay.
had too many hoes, and if he had stories and all, then he'd have to post all them hoes, and that man's not so clever.
red flag now.
Wait.
And he's not.
For the reels,
Son
I'll ask the
has
question
brains.
again. Is it a red flag or a green flag if he doesn't have Instagram? Done. Anyway.
Continue, yeah.
For the reels.
My ex-man was very smart. Very
So
smart.
he had.
He didn't have, but it's to counteract the hoes that
But did he
had.
have all this like side chicks?
Yeah, so many.
Where is he meeting? Where?
Dude, you won't know. That man had crazy game. You won't know in which cap he's talking to that girl.
No, when you go to the open mic,
What?
kiss up.
No, John.
Snapchat.
You put random numbers.
They go to the phone.
To all of them. I love you. You are my babe.
Shit. Bro, have you ever said that to somebody?
I love you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been in a 2-year relationship.
I know.
Yeah, coming back to that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was the question?
Red flag, green flag if he doesn't post you on social media.
So like what
all thing.
thing I gave, then red flag, 100%.
For me, it's a red flag too, bro. Why?
Actually, yeah, it's a red flag.
Bro, it's me. Come on, pull up.
Right?
Yeah.
Your longest been a 5-month relationship, and you're saying,
Yeah. Bro,
it's me, bro. It's me.
I'd expect
it's
that.
me, bro.
No,
the
no,
hell?
but the thing is,
I'm famous. How the can't you?
Purely
How can't you?
No one.
How?
See, that's the thing. Okay,
he's the
it's,
famous
So
part.
that guy was
He's
not on
talking to
Instagram. He's
anyone
only
else.
made like he never posted a picture.
dude, bro, one second. Okay, see, the thing is,
Not even WhatsApp status.
the thing is,
His auntie even see it.
damn it, not even a WhatsApp view once in the family group. No, see, the thing is, okay, bro, I live a life that gives the girl zero anxiety. Okay, I'm a crazy guy. Post me on your story. That's stupid. I'm sorry.
Post me on your. They have like in a
Come
subtle
on,
way.
24 hours disappearing.
No, like I was thinking about WhatsApp status. Okay, bro, think about it.
Yeah.
If you put a WhatsApp status,
That's official to
all
your
the
family.
random people are going to see you, like the electrician you spoke to.
Raghuveer
Are you
Gas.
stupid? You can also hide people on WhatsApp.
No, but you're not going to sit and like,
Ow.
okay,
Raghuveer
Ramesh
Gas,
was
I
like,
know.
oh, she's done it.
Mahesh talking to you know.
Bro,
My ex that didn't have an Instagram. How do you think I showed him my cute pictures?
no, but for me, I have so many numbers. Like the random electrician I spoke to, because like my mom asked me to.
Yeah,
he saved
bro.
my number.
Krish
He's-
from
he's-
Organics are there. I don't want him to see.
Yeah, no, WhatsApp
Yeah.
status.
So no, I think it's a red flag.
Red flag.
It's a red flag.
Yeah, it's a red flag.
Everyone agrees. Unanimous decision.
Unanimous, yeah. Okay, now we'll just do quick fire ones, yeah?
flag.
Quick
I
fire.
want to say red flag.
Okay, quick fire, no explanation needed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it
Quick.
red flag or green flag if they are not religious?
Green flag, a personal opinion.
3.
Okay.
Nihal said is it red flag for you?
No.
Red for me, because I'm religious.
Okay, so 3. Okay, yeah, red for me as well. Love God.
He wants what are you, Tamilian
being
Mallu?
religious and being like
What are you?
loving God's different.
He doesn't know himself.
No, it's not.
She called me Mallu.
Okay, I.
Oh, we're getting there.
It's the same thing. Okay, anyway, next
Wait,
one.
so
Okay, the guy likes RCB, like he's a hardcore supporter of RCB.
Red flag.
Papa, bro, green flag.
Green flag.
Papa.
Yeah?
Flag.
He's so loyal.
so loyal.
He can
Green flag.
Fair.
support RCB for 15 years. He's so loyal.
Yeah.
It's a green
Green flag. For me, it's a red flag, bro.
Why?
Logically support somebody else. his mind is skewed.
Yeah, just move on.
Every day, Virat, please. Nothing happens. Yeah. What else?
Okay, what if he's like always busy and he's not emotionally available?
Red flag.
Like, but he's doing something like, okay, he has a business. and
Yeah,
he's
okay,
working
go
on a
do
business.
it. Don't be with me.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
cold.
But she's a female Undertale.
No, like go do it. Do your shit. Like go ahead. Like
No, but then,
see, clearly you can't accommodate me.
Correct.
Chumma, why I'll sit and fight with you saying give me
No.
your attention. I
Yeah.
am busy, babe. Blah blah bullshit. Okay,
Makes
Okay,
no
but like,
fucking
okay,
sense.
so
When you
what is the
finish that-
attention like? So is it like
Dude,
he texts
drop-
or calls every day? Or-
Don't call, dude. Don't call. No one wants to hear your voice.
At least
Drop
see
me
me.
a
Masa, have you been in love?
Saw explanation.
No one wants to hear your voice. Don't call or text.
Not like that, bro.
But I love you, bro.
So, bro. So
I love you,
it's
yeah?
Like, you call. Just, okay, be like, this is my. So, like,
Huh.
say you're working, morning you get up.
I want to see how he
Look at me, bro. Look at me. She's looking at me. Listen,
Justify this,
it's
justify
fine.
this.
Look up to God.
Yeah, go on.
Okay, so, morning.
No, look, no.
You're up.
Huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then the first thing.
You're looking away, bro.
No,
You're looking
no,
up
good
at the
morning,
ceiling.
good night. Okay. I mean, if
fine.
you're a good morning, good night person, good for you, but I'm not.
I
of
started
course, I
becoming.
sleep
I
in
feel
morning.
like now I started realizing it's a nice thing to say. Good
too
morning.
cringe.
Like, everyone.
Yeah,
says
it's too cringe for some
I
reason.
say good morning, bro.
I say good.
I used to.
Okay, so yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
And then after that, you go by your day, and then if something different happens, like which is not in your schedule, because the other person knows your schedule.
Yeah, what if you wake up in the afternoon?
Okay, so
We have
What
work
if
to
you
go,
don't wake
bro.
up?
So no,
we have no
leave
choice
all
to
of
wake
that,
up in the
okay.
afternoon.
Like if he's busy,
Yeah.
you can't call me every day.
every day? Is it every day?
If you don't call me every day, also
It's fine. Just drop in a
It's fine. You for me, you have to see me at least once in a week because if you're out
Yep.
of sight, you're out
out of
sight.
mind.
Out of
Out of
sight.
sight, out of mind.
Goldfish over.
Okay, so it is once a day text or a call,
Yeah.
and it's once a week of
Yeah, I
meeting.
mean,
Minimum
once a day, at
once
least, like
a
talk
week.
or like,
Yeah.
let me know you're alive, like you're
Correct.
there.
I need a lot more than that, bro.
Yeah, same, bro.
Yeah,
Once
yeah.
a week, are you crazy?
Once a week, nah, bro.
I mean,
No, I'm saying you have to see me, like
minimum,
Yeah,
bare
like
minimum.
Like bare minimum is you have to. No, you have to talk to me on a daily basis. Yeah. You have to talk to me.
Yeah,
on a daily
talk
This is the bare minimum of that.
Yeah.
Like, but you have to see me once a week. If you're not seeing me once a week, do not see me.
Yeah, same. I feel it's a red flag if she's busy all the time. Because if you're busy all the time, then why are you dating me?
exactly what I said. Like,
Yeah,
if
same,
you don't
I
have the
said it
time,
louder.
Okay, so this
Quick
one.
fire.
Quick fire.
Okay, so it's only for the girls.
Yeah.
So the guy he's confident, but he's also borderline cocky.
no.
No,
flag.
red flag.
How cocky? Like cocky to you or like cocky in general?
Just in general.
He's rude to this thing.
No.
Wait,
Wait, no,
Oh.
big red flag.
Okay, no, not that.
Not that rude, bro.
Not that cocky.
Yeah.
So in general, like things he has to dismiss, he dismisses it off.
No,
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 red flag, red flag.
red flag.
Bro, some confidence is good, bro.
Okay, come
No,
on.
confidence
Too much
is good.
confidence
Yeah,
not
No, he's talking
overconfidence is
about-
No,
bad.
I'm just asking this is a girl.
Yeah. What else? Are we done?
Yeah. Okay, he swears a lot.
Oh, I have one. Let's to end this all off. Is it a red flag if he likes Andrew Tate to a certain capacity?
See, I
What
saw
is that
another
certain capacity?
yeah.
See, I'll tell you how much I like Andrew Tate. So the thing is, when you look at certain people's philosophies, it's based on how they're brought up. Okay, so he's had a very shit life growing up, so he can't afford to be anything less as that extreme, right? So, but I've been around people, I've been around decent women, and I've had a better upbringing, so I can't be as extreme as he is with his views, but I can agree to a certain extent. So that's how I see it. So I agree with what he says, but not to the intensity with which he goes about it.
I'd say the things I agree with is generally everything about like
Business
money,
stuff.
money,
Yeah, I saw this
everything.
thing
Yeah.
where when it comes to Andrew Tate, listen to his business, blah 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 talk
And, like,
and money
motivation,
making.
being healthy.
Yeah, correct. But when
Yeah.
it comes to women, just like
No, women also to
No.
a certain extent.
No, I'll tell
To
you
a
why.
certain
I'll tell
extent,
you. See, I understand he says motivational things. That's valid. That no one's
Yeah.
debating that. That's not. That's out of the question.
Yeah.
Reason why I do not like. See, you have to. You can separate art from a person and watch their movie if they're a shit person. But his philosophy is based on the person he is.
Yeah.
So, irrespective of the fact if you support a part of it or a whole of it or not, you're supporting the person. And he's a shit person. So, in the end of the day, you're also supporting the shit thing that he's
a
putting out in the
mentality.
world.
Yeah.
By extension, but
Yeah.
I feel like see, but,
I
but see,
disagree with that.
See, but what I do think
You,
is like
when
see,
you support a person like Andrew Tate and things he speaks, right?
Yeah.
You can't. How much ever in
Okay.
your mind you support also, you're supporting him how?
Okay,
By
so for
viewing it, by
Yeah.
clicking on it, by watching
the
it,
blame
right?
has just
That's the
ruined your
support.
point, though. Actually,
Oh
she
my
was on
God.
a roll.
That is included.
But like red flag.
100%
Red
red
flag.
flag. Okay.
Yeah.
Red
so
flag.
if you
If my girl likes Andrew Tate,
you
it's a
can't,
red
you
flag.
can't support
I'll give
him
you an
only
example.
for the motivation.
I'll give you an example.
Yeah, that's
so
fair.
the crazy dictators, okay, and the leaders back in the day who used to kill. You can take some parts of his hard work. Okay, probably he works very hard. I'm not saying supporting like taking the philosophy of him being hardworking. It's not bad.
See, here's what I
There's
think.
so many people who are hardworking.
Yeah,
Why
but I'm
would you
just
want
saying,
to?
Look at it this way. Look at it this way.
Why
If I just-
go to the person who's killing like
Okay,
multiple
okay.
people?
Millions
What
of
do you
No, but
think?
then the concept of hard work.
See,
itself,
see,
you're
So
taking-
are you
So
telling
they're not-
me he's the only
you're
one
talking-
hardworking and
yeah, you're
people who work
talking as
under
if-
him
He's
don't
talking
work?
as if hardworking people only kill.
No, okay, wait.
You can't be hardworking without killing. So you have to.
I did not say that. Just
Make your hands dirty.
Yeah, so pretty much, see, the thing is, like, what he's saying is what people say. With what he's saying, what is conveyed, but then what is he actually doing with the things he's saying is what you're telling me, right?
Yeah, more.
The effect
There are
of
a lot
it.
of
I'll be
impressionable people.
I'll be very specific.
There are
Okay.
a lot of impressionable people, like
Yeah.
young people who can
Yeah.
listen.
Yeah.
See, you are in a capacity to like segregate what's right and what's wrong.
Yeah.
If you are an impressionable person
Yeah.
and everyone's just hyping him up,
Yeah.
you can't segregate.
Yeah,
Like,
you
if
just-
you are
you
like
just
a
take his
12-year-old
content.
boy
So when-
listening to whatever he's saying,
Yeah.
this is the kind of opinion. If you idolize him, you will idolize his thought about women as well.
Okay, so obviously we're not
But then,
idolizing.
no, but that's the case
Not
with every.
you.
No, that's the case with
We're
everything.
talking about
right?
people who
Okay.
cannot say.
In
Yeah.
general.
One second, but
Yeah.
that's the case with everything.
Yeah.
Like,
That's
what,
why you
see,
can't-
see, look. See, what exists in media, something that say is a system that we can't change. There'll always be things that you don't agree with out on the media, right? So if a young impressionable person goes and imbibes the wrong things, right, and is not able to make that distinction, it's like saying a young person went and watched pornography, right? Now that doesn't make pornography as a thing bad for most people, right?
Okay, pause.
You know what I'm saying? Well, guys, Nihal vanished. But then, yeah, we were just
He
talking
doesn't
about.
like us.
Yeah.
Yeah, so pornography is something that is not for like younger people consumption. It's known. Okay, there are steps that like the government and parents and everyone are taking.
Yeah.
Andrew Tate is on the internet.
Yeah,
Okay,
so is
that's
porn.
it's on platforms like YouTube and Instagram. And pornographic
So is
content is
soft porn.
also there. So it's there.
Yeah.
Okay, soft porn's there in movies.
Exactly.
Sex sells, we know it. Okay, that's a different thing.
Yeah, sorry.
That's a conversation
Yeah, that's a separate conversation altogether. Yeah.
This man is on platforms that's
Give it to me.
this man. You think I can't handle my water bottle?
I'm a bar.
Oh, yo, sorry.
Too much Andrew Tate content he's watching, bro. Too
Yeah,
much Andrew
coming
Tate.
back to it. So,
Yeah.
you know, this man's on platforms that is like accessible to a lot of impressionable people. Okay.
Yeah.
The only thing I'm saying is, there is, when you know something is not for a certain set of people, then you
Yeah.
can restrict it.
Yeah.
When there's a person like Andrew Tate where he says good and bad,
Yeah.
and he's a personality who's saying these things.
So
He's a
accessible.
person, yeah.
Yeah.
So, you supporting him, if even though you don't want to support the bad of him,
Yeah.
will end up supporting him. You
Indirectly.
can't
Okay,
stop
so
it.
I agree with that. But then the thing is, not okay. So I'll give you an example of him saying, working for a 9 to 5 job. I agree with him. Some people can't do it. Okay, and you're saying, okay, makes sense that don't support him. But no one else is talking about it. Like only he's talking about it.
I feel like
See, support him.
Yeah.
Okay, get him to make him accountable for the things that he's wrong for. And if he changes and then you support him, well and good. But if he's going to still propagate things that is harmful to the society, then what are you supporting him for? Just because he's giving you some motivation, it's okay if he goes and tells you to do like things that are harmful to the society.
No, but then
fair points.
so again, he's gone to
So
jail.
she dropped the mic.
he's gone to jail. He's gone to jail.
Yeah.
Again.
And then there's bro,
Again,
he'll come out,
just
bro,
today
he'll come
even,
out,
Just today he went to jail again.
bro, he'll come out, bro,
The
you
only
don't know
one
the
who
truth.
doesn't give a about Andrew
Hey,
Tate.
nothing. You're a man with Andrew Tate fan, and then you went off both of them.
Yeah, actually, Andrew Tate has affected her more than any of us.
Any one of us. So, okay, I feel like let's end it off.
Yeah.
And just be like, so is it a red flag overall? If my girl likes Andrew Tate, it's kind of weird. So, if my girl likes Andrew Tate, it's an amber flag.
Oh, excuse me.
Red flag.
Extremely red flag.
Yeah. No, she comes in, you're fucking brokey. You make that fucking money.
Where's your money?
You're going out all day talking to all these fucking hoes. Yeah.
Sound like
No,
that is accent?
Yeah.
No, it's
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and obviously, I think these guys green flag. So again,
Green flag.
Yeah.
Obviously, they like it.
they obviously like it if your guy likes Andrew Tate.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah. 100% green flag.
we had
Yeah.
a great time. Thank you for having us.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And part two. Part two?
Sure.
Part two.
Part two?
Maybe.
Yeah, but yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.
When can I
See you.
expect this to
I got a black ski mask, but I don't ski, but I snowboard, dash an MC off peak. If one of you try violate